Hi everyone, this is the 60th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a simple little problem from the concept of laws of exponent. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here in the question we have x to the power 2 to the power n minus 1 and then whole square of that, right? And we have to find out what is that expression is equivalent to. We have been given 5 options here. We have to find out which one is the correct option, right? So we have been provided an expression which looks like this, that is x to the power 2 to the power n minus 1 and whole square of that. When we have two layers of exponent like this, it could be a bit confusing, right? So for a moment you can assume that 2 to the power n minus 1, so let's assume that 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to, let's say a, maybe we can assume that as a, right? So we can rewrite this expression as x to the power a whole squared, and from the laws of exponent we know that this can be written as x to the power 2 times a, because we know the property of exponent like this. If we have a to the power m whole to the power n, we can write it as a to the power m times n. So using the same property here we can say, well, x to the power a whole squared can be written as x to the power a times 2 or 2 times a. And now let's do a quick little math on the side, that what is the value of 2 times a. So if a is equal to, so I'm going to write it here, if a is equal to 2 to the power n minus 1, then what would be 2 times a? Well, if you multiply both sides with 2, then this would be 2 times 2 to the power n minus 1. That will be equal to this 2 right here. We can assume that the power is actually 1. The exponent should be 1 there, even though we don't generally write the exponent 1, but still for mathematical purpose we have to assume that we have an exponent 1 there. So then this is going to be 2 to the power 1 plus n minus 1. Think about it. So because it will be sum of the exponents, when you have two multiplication like this, we know the property that says that if we have a to the power m times a to the power n, that can be written as a to the power m plus n. So using that same property we can write it like this. So then ultimately you see this positive 1 and the negative 1 in the exponent will cancel each other. So ultimately we are going to be left with 2 to the power n. So this is nothing but 2 to the power n. So 2 times a is actually equal to 2 to the power n. So now here can we write our original expression then? So our original expression is actually, now we can see that it will be x to the power 2 to the power n, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have x to the power 2 to the power n under option K. So option K is the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.